Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the two-wheeler world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ola S1 Pro, a scooter that's redefining the electric vehicle segment with its cutting-edge features, enhanced performance, and futuristic design. Let's explore what makes this model a game-changer. Sleek design and build quality. The 2025 Ola S1 Pro retains its sleek and aerodynamic design but with subtle refinements that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The scooter now features new premium color options, a more ergonomic seat, and improved LED lighting for better visibility. The build quality has been upgraded, ensuring a sturdy yet lightweight frame for a smooth and stable ride. Powerful performance and range. Ola has taken performance to the next level with a high-capacity battery pack, offering an impressive range of over 200 kilometers on a single charge. The Hyper mode delivers instant acceleration, making city rides and highway cruising effortless. The new motor tuning provides a more refined power output, reducing energy wastage while maximizing speed and efficiency. Smart technology and features. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Ola S1 Pro is its advanced smart features. It now comes with Ola MoveOS 5, which introduces AI-driven ride optimization, faster navigation, and a more responsive touchscreen display. The voice assistant has been improved, allowing riders to control functions effortlessly. Plus, the auto-reverse mode and hill-hold assist make urban commuting more convenient than ever. Enhanced safety and comfort. Safety has been a priority in this model, with dual-disc braking, regenerative braking enhancements, and an upgraded suspension system for a comfortable ride. Ola has also added smart alerts for vehicle diagnostics, ensuring riders stay informed about their scooter's health in real time. Pricing and availability. Ola has priced the 2025 S1 Pro competitively, making it a strong contender in the electric scooter market. With multiple financing options and government incentives on EVs, this scooter is now more accessible to riders looking for a cost-effective and eco-friendly commuting solution. Final verdict. The 2025 Ola S1 Pro is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the electric scooter segment. With its extended range, smarter features, and enhanced comfort, it's an ideal choice for both city commuters and long-distance riders. What do you think about the new Ola S1 Pro? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to BikeZone Pro for more updates on the latest two-wheelers. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.